This is the update. New stove for the hugest storm ever. January 15th, 2022. Best be prepping. HUMANTLER 15 just released today, by the way. And I'm going to tell you, dude, there is a lot of snow out here. I mean, you might not be able to see it from right there with all these HD quality lights. Check all that. It is snowing like you would never know it. It is snowing all over. This is the biggest snowstorm in Georgia's history ever in the world. It is snowing. So, it's just snowing so hard. I'm serious. This place is going to be destroyed. This is up at Cleveland, Georgia. The best place in the world. I mean, just look at that snowstorm. Just look at it. Real. Make sure to listen to HUMANTLER 15 today. If you're old enough, it was released on YouTube. Make sure to donate to the HUMANTLER band on the HUMANTLER's Spotify page. It goes directly to me. So I can pay the band. Talks to G. It work. Snowstorm. Biggest snowstorm ever.